The point I'm making is how productive and how effective is your website at capturing leads? I'm guessing not very. Hey guys, and welcome to this week's episode of Social Marketing. My name is Eric Hammond of the Orange Stack. Thanks for following along each week as we uncover social strategies on how to get you more business in the real estate area. So this week we're talking about websites. Guys, our team audits about 25 to 30 real estate agents every single week, right? So we get you guys to call us, we set up a strategy call, we go through all your stuff, seeing how business is going, seeing what you're doing, seeing how your lead gen platform's working, and then we audit your account. How are your Facebook ads? What does your website look like? Are you using an IDX? What's your follow-up plan? What's your drip campaign look like? And we give you guys suggestions on how to do better. So number one, if you're interested in something like that, we'll have a link in the description, or maybe we'll put it down here or wherever it is, but book a call with us. Set up a strategy call and see if you'd be interested in learning how you can use social media better as a real estate agent. So getting into this, a lot of agents, what we found is that they're using some type of company provided website, right? So whether it's Keller Williams or Caldwell or Century 21 or any number of websites, it's basically brokerage provided, meaning that there's limited availability to edit it and change it and make it your own. And if you can basically change the name of it, the URL, you can have your logo on it, and you can have a few new elements to it. But basically, it's just fill out the form and give you your about section, your phone number, how to get a hold of you on social media, things like that. It's pretty basic. The other side of that is that a lot of other agents will create their own website, right? So they figure out their plan. Maybe it's a 4 or 5 page website, meaning that there's the home page, there's the about, there's the contact me, there's maybe even an IDX feed of the homes that they have in that MLS, a few basic things like that, right? And the point of this website, I think most agents are using, is to educate the client on who they are as a real estate agent. So they spend all this time writing up all this stuff about who they are and what makes them them, and about how they got their real estate license and their previous work and how many homes they sold. Is this starting to sound familiar? Guys, how many people go to your websites and actually hang out on the about page for more than a minute? Go look at that stat up on your own stuff. And if you don't know how to find that stat, you need to know the numbers. You need to know where people are coming from to get to your site, where they're looking at in your site, and where they're leaving, and why they left, and how long they were there. So know your numbers first off. But then what's the point, okay? Why are you directing traffic to your website? Do you have a little form on the side that says type in your name and email address and I'll put you on my newsletter? How many of those are you actually getting per week? Is it come check out the houses that I have on the MLS and my IDX feed so that you can search for homes in this area, and then I'm going to capture your information as soon as you go to click on something and try to get your name and number so that I can call you? How many of those are you actually getting? The point I'm making is how productive and how effective is your website at capturing leads? I'm guessing not very. Zillow does the same thing. They drive all this traffic to check out homes. They lure you in by a great picture, and then as soon as you want more information, it's click here to get this information, and I got to give you my name, my phone number, my email address, and what's to prevent me from typing Mickey Mouse as my name and my phone number as 555-1212, and then you never get a hold of me, but I got all the information that I wanted. It's not a great barrier of entry, meaning that you're not going to get any value from that, and the client didn't get any value from that, except they were able to see what they were looking for. So how about we try a different approach, guys? If you've ever heard of a landing page, that's the route we're going with this. You're driving traffic to a single web page. There's no about, there's no contact, there's no click my Facebook link, there's no sign up for this newsletter or see the houses. It's just one single page with one call to action, usually a big button somewhere in the top. They call it above the fold, meaning that you don't have to scroll with your mouse to see it. There's very clear value on this page, and it tells you exactly what to do, why you're there, and what you're going to get by being there. Okay, so this could be find out the value of your home, or learn how we do this because of this. Whatever it is, you're bringing people to a landing page to give them value and help them understand why they should work with you. Maybe it's you provide free repairs to houses. Maybe it's you provide free staging. Maybe it's you have a moving van that your office provides anybody that works for you, and if they work with you, they could use this moving van to help them move after you sell their house, right? Whatever it may be, there needs to be a clear call to action when you get to this website. And when they click the button to get to the information that you're providing, that's when you capture their information. Okay, you getting it? And until then, there's no information traded, there's nowhere else to go. It's really clear cut and simple. This is called a real estate funnel. You're bringing them from Facebook or from a Google AdWord or from some other search to this website, and you're telling them, click the button because that's why you're here. You wanted to learn what the value of your home is? Click this button to find out. The next page is, great, you want to find out the value of your home? What's your address? What's your name? What's your number? We've got some more questions for you. We can't just send you an automated report. We actually want to talk to you on the phone and find out a little bit more about your house. house? Have you upgraded the kitchen? Do you have a pool? What's the roof like, right? What's going on in your neighborhood? How can we help you best determine the price of your house? And let's set up a call to talk about this. Rather than just, I'll follow up with you and hope I get a hold of you and I hope the number's right and I hope your name's right, actually book a call with that person so that you can talk to them about their house. Sync it with your calendar, have them schedule a time, Tuesday 10 o'clock, you know that you're calling the Joneses and they're waiting for you, right? That's the point of what this website does. Guys, the traditional websites are dying. There's very little value in them, if at all. Most people spend thousands of dollars getting them beautiful and amazing and doing all these great tricks, and then they're not converting anybody that comes there. Maybe you're lucky and you're retargeting the people that come to your website through like a Facebook pixel or something like that, but for the most part, not that many people who come to a website nowadays are giving up information to get anything unless there's real value there. So consider looking into a landing page. Consider a program like ClickFunnels or Unbounce or one of these easy to set up programs where you just drag, drop, type, get all set up. You could probably have a new website set up in under an hour and probably pay about $19 a month for the hosting of it. So good options. There's a lot you can do with this. I would try to figure out how to use a landing page to capture your leads. If you're interested in having us talk to you about your social media needs and how we can create a landing page for you that brings fabulous results, click this link below here, wherever we end up putting it, probably down here, and book a strategy call with us and see how we can help you get more business. Thanks for following, guys, each week as we uncover how to use social media in your business. I will see you next week.